Okay, so today we'll have a quick look at what I have been building for the last couple of days. There are two of these. I have made one with, I'll tell you the difference, but these are primarily ignition kill switches for gas engines. And what's special about it, it reuses servo electronics board. I'll try and see if this can get in focus. Yes. So what you would see here is very simply the signal pins are connected, and this is going to go to your channel on the receiver. The motor output connections are what we are concerned with. The pot has been disconnected from the three terminals here. This can be any servo board which can operate at the voltage that you would be running your receiver. What do we do with the output from the servo pins? We just simply use one of these MOSFET modules. They are also called relay replacement modules, pretty cheap, about in rupees it's less than 80 or 100 rupees, 150 rupees, something like that. This one uses a p-channel MOSFET. I would suggest use that because this actually disconnects the positive line, and the connections are very simple on this. The motor outputs from the servo board come into the ground and positive input of this opto-coupler. So this is actually optically isolated, and then the opto-coupler drives the MOSFET directly. For this particular one, what I've done also is I have soldered an LED on a wire to put on somewhere like external onto the fuselage, and that's about it. So if you look, maybe I try and focus here. Yes, so what you would see is this is what goes to the CDI, and this is the output pad. It's basically the backplane of the MOSFET. This is a p-channel MOSFET. I've just taken a resistor, any value for that can drive this at less than about 3-4 milliamps for a small LED as an indicator. But this is where all the magic happens. That is, the positive comes from your ignition battery, goes into the input, which is this here, goes out of there. The ground is connected to the ground here, and that's it. This is a simple thing. This is done similarly, but this is an N-channel MOSFET. The problem is if you are using telemetry, which we normally do for RPM, then this is better, the positive with the p-channel, because it breaks the positive supply to the CDI. This one breaks the ground connection on the CDI with the N-channel. So if you have RPM telemetry, it also connects the ground, so making the ignition kill switch kind of non-functional. So that's it. A very simple circuit, very simple DIY kill switch. Thank you.